Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be attempting to repair this tear in my Napa bomber jacket. I only recently bought this and already ended up with a tiny tear. It's even smaller than the size of my nail. I've got this kit from Sofa Rehab. That's right, Sofa Rehab. And they had an offer. So bad. Perfectly. I would like to take this time to tell that this repair is not something that's going to completely cover the defect. It is just to make sure that the tear doesn't get any worse and that it has a strong foundation to keep the tear held in place. To cover the defects well enough, I will be making another video to show how to use a compound to fill the gaps. And wipe off any excess. Well, I would say from what it started off to what right now, I think, and got it done. Like, look at that repair, guys. And if I was to say, I'm amazed myself. Okay, that's